At Zimbrick, we're implementing new processes to ensure that our customers and our employees stay safe. Today, we thought we'd share one of our new sanitizing processes. Our employees are using a professional cleaning tool called the Tornado Black. The Tornado Black is a solution made up of 90% alcohol, which is a full 10% higher than what is required to kill most germs. We are spraying this solution on every vehicle that comes in for service. The solution will be sprayed on door handles, dashboards, steering wheels, and any hard surfaces. It will also be sprayed on fabric and leather upholstery, as well as your keys. All vehicles will be sanitized before the technician receives your vehicle for service, and it will be sanitized again when the service is complete. This is only one of many new processes that we are implementing throughout our dealerships. Our focus is to continue to provide you with a safe and reliable vehicle while keeping you and our employees safe. For more information,